Cooler Master launches a pair of sub-$100 mechanical keyboards. Cooler Master is rolling out a couple of mechanical keyboards that trade frills and fluff, for the most part, for a cheaper price tag. Both the new CK550 and CK552 cost less than $100, while offering mechanical key switches plopped into a brushed aluminum base. Our goal with the CK550, and CK552, was to offer a pro-grade full-size mechanical gaming keyboard with all the core specs that gamers care about without sacrificing quality. Our fans will get the core essentials to compete at the highest level, and look good while doing it, said Bryant Nguyen, General Manager of Peripherals at Cooler Master. The main difference between the two planks is the color. The CK550 is a lighter gunmetal black, while the CK552 is a darker midnight black. Otherwise, both feature a curved top plate with floating keycaps and an overall minimalistic design. That's to say there are no dedicated macro/gaming keys or media controls, or things like a built-in LCD panel and whatever else a peripheral maker might be tempted to add to the mix. Cooler Master is using Gaterin key switches that are similar to Cherry MX switches. The product pages list brown, blue, and red options on the GK550 and just red for the GK552. While there are no dedicated gaming keys, the keyboards do allow users to bind macros to the keys. They also feature per-key RGB backlighting, powered by a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M3 processor. Users can save their customizations to the onboard memory allotment, 512 kilobytes.